It's been a long journey to get to where I am, but I would walk it all over again, and I have no regrets. And it created the environment and the situations and the family that I have today. So I'm very blessed, and I owe a lot of that to this art form and lifestyle. My life, the path that I've walked has always been against the grain, I guess you could say, right? Against the grain. I never strived to try and be different. I just was different, and I wasn't about to mold myself into what everybody else thinks is socially acceptable or the norm. I see that as that's not really living. If you're not living in a way that you wake up every day and you're completely happy, how are you living? Is that living? I don't think it is.